Needing to raise rent in 2 months when a lease ends. I already know that the tenants are going to balk. Should I A, even offer a lease purchase to them? B, continue with a new 12-month lease to pay increase or move? Or C, not renew the lease, therefore converting to month and advertise for a lease tenant buyer?
Well, actually, you could do all one of the above. You're just going to have to decide what you think is best for you. Me, I'm never going to put a tenant in a house. There's always going to be a tenant buyer, but you've already got one in there. I assume it was a tenant buyer. I'm not sure. I didn't get that in the question, was it? I'm not sure if they got a big deposit out of them when they put them in there or not. Well, it doesn't really matter because technically that deposit is forfeited at that time. If that is the case, I would do nothing and tell them, you can stay in the house and I'll still give you credit for the deposit when you buy, and let it go. If that is not the case, I would absolutely, frankly, I'd move them. Well, I'd give them a chance to become a tenant buyer first. If they're whining about the rent, they're not going to be a tenant buyer and put up a big non-refundable option deposit. So I'd frankly just give them notice to move. I can give them a notice to move 15 days prior to when their next rent is due. The law says that they have to get at least 15 days notice. And I don't need a cause. I don't need a reason. I can just ask them to leave.